Let's go!
Alright, I think all of our sweet dancers are ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, giving you once more the Masskara spirit and dancers here in the arena. This is the Dito Telecommunity Unity Dance!
Judges and of course to the audience for cheering it on. This is only the beginning. What people in the community has in store for you today. So stick around and enjoy the rest of the event. Once again, my name is Chris Soberano.
My name is Danny Winkong. Bantayan, because the awards for this Dito segment is going to be announced in a short while. Once more, todo na dito sa saya, todo na dito sa Masskara. This is brought to you by Dito Telecommunity. Happy Masskara! We shall begin with our special awards tonight. Together with Dito Telecommunity, we would like to welcome on stage Head of Brand Activations and Merchandising, Michelle Mateo, together with Congressman Greg Visataya, to give our first batch of special awards. We would also like to welcome all of our city officials and VIPs to kindly join us in this energetic stage tonight because we want to see all of your beautiful faces, please. Please stay down center stage, my dear. Maybe call an any representative from Dito Telecommunity to please give us the official results of the first two special awards tonight.
Once again, we are calling on every representative from Dito Telecommunity to give us our results for this evening. And right now, here are our winners. Here we go.
Let's begin with Todo na Dito Champion Award. The Todo na Dito Champion Award, sponsored by Telecommunity, recognizes the dance group that best embodies the spirit of unity and seamless communication through their performance. This award celebrates a group that showcases harmonious synchronization, innovative choreography, and dynamic energy, symbolizing how communication connects people and communities. The winning Todo na Dito performance must emphasize teamwork, fluidity, and creative storytelling, reflecting Dito Telecommunity mission of fostering stronger bonds through seamless connectivity. Todo na Dito champion going home with 100,000 pesos tonight as the first batch of our special awards. This is going home with Barangay! This is Todo na Dito Champion Award, going home with 100,000 pesos.
Salamat, congratulations to the Todo na Dito Champion Awardee. Let's give it up for Barangay Granada.
The next award.
Our next award is the Pillar of Dance Excellence Award, which honors a choreographer whose contributions have significantly shaped the success and evolution of the Masskara Festival. Dito Telecommunity recognizes an individual who has consistently delivered outstanding choreography, inspired dancers, and exemplified leadership by promoting the festival's cultural significance. The award celebrates those who have enriched the festival spirit and whose work supports the continuing legacy of unity, creativity, and joy in the Masskara community. All right, our Pillar of Dance Excellence goes to... Congratulations to Segundo Jesus Manoy Cabalcar Jr.
To join us on stage and win the award. You are going home with 10,000 pesos. Congratulations, courtesy of Dito Telecommunity.
Once again, congratulations and magdamang kasalan, Dito Telecommunity.
And madamang salamat once more to Michelle Mateo for joining us on stage. Thank you, Dito Telecommunity.
Up next, we now move on to our minor awards for this evening.
Kaupo na ito ating mga lideres on stage. Ang pinakapalangga ng mga konsehal sa Bacolod, kaupo si Congressman Greg Visataya. These are our next minor awards. Next is 45th Masskara Festival, Best in Music, Arena, and Street Dance Competition. Going home with 25,000 pesos. This is Barangay! Best in Music goes to Barangay Granada, going home with 25,000 pesos. Congratulations!
Up next, we shall be awarding the Masskara Festival Best in Theme and Concept sa Arena and Street Dance Competition. Going home with 25,000 pesos for Best in Theme and Concept goes to Barangay! Everyone, congratulations to the best in theme and concept, going home with 25,000 pesos, Barangay Granada.
On to our next special award for tonight. The next award is the 45th Masskara Festival, Best in Mask and Costume in the Arena and Street Dance Competition. Going home with 25,000 pesos. The winner is Barangay Granada!
So everyone, congratulations to the best in mask and costume. That's Barangay Granada, going home with 25,000 pesos. Up next, we have the Quality Home Foundation Incorporated Choice Award. Going home with 15,000 pesos. This award goes to Barangay. Congratulations, Barangay Granada! Once again, going home with 15,000 pesos. This is the Quality Home Foundation Incorporated Choice Awardee. Congratulations, Barangay Granada!
Bacolod City, we have given out all minor awards. It is now time to go into our major award, and we will only be announcing the following. Our second runner-up, first runner-up, and the grand champion. Here are the list of prizes that you will be going home. Second runner-up goes home with 300,000 pesos.
And the first runner-up will go home with 500,000 pesos.
And our grand champion will go home with 1,000,000 pesos! Plus, I'm not over yet. I'm not done yet. 1,000,000 pesos plus 50,000 pesos from Bingo Plus. 30,000
pesos from Playmax.
25,000 gift certificates from Power Mac.
And 30,000 pesos from Bacardi Sweat.
Now let's begin. Our second runner-up going home with 300,000 pesos.
Once again, congratulations to our second runner-up, going home with 300,000 pesos. Once again, that's our second runner-up, Barangay 12. Up next, ang ating the first runner-up that will go home with 500,000 pesos. Goes to Barangay
Bacolod City. Up next, we will be awarding and announcing our champion. But before anything else, we would like to call in the special participation of our sponsors, who will also be giving out their prizes for our champion. Representatives of Bacardi Sweat, who is giving an additional 30,000 pesos to our champion, calling in National Brand Development Manager of Otsuka Solar Companies Incorporated, Ms. Matthew Ramos. Join us on stage, please.
And of course, to give us 15,000 pesos to give the Bellevue Women's Choice Award, we have Miss Melanie Ross and Arlene Ross.
Please join us on stage as well. Giving our grand winner an additional 30,000 pesos Playmax Award, please come on stage Brand Manager Mr. Alexander Barcela and Digital Marketing Manager Ms. Faye Abelgas Lava.
We would also like to invite from Bingo Plus Choice Award, we have Mr. Greg Angelo Banks, the Bingo Plus representative, to give 50,000 pesos. And last but not least, from Power Mac to give the Power Mac Award, our grand winner receiving 25,000 pesos in gift certificate. Okay, I think we are ready, ladies and gentlemen. This year's Dance Arena Competition Champion goes to...
Congratulations, Barangay! Ladies and gentlemen, the Masskara Festival 2024 Street Dance and Arena Competition Grand winner going home with 1 million pesos and more is Barangay! Canada! And it's now time to light up the skies. Get ready to count down with me, Papua City, in 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Papua City, happy Masskara!
We are requesting the